Hello, good afternoon. Now, attention. I just want to grab your attention here, okay? I want you to be thinking about, are you really ready to save hundreds of hours, slash costs, and take control of your care business like never before? Now imagine this automated scheduling that will be able to enhance your business by using some AI tools that I'm about to show you. And one of them is, for example, voice assistants, handling client calls, and systems so different that they work while you actually sleep. Can you imagine that? It's not a dream. The AI revolution is here. And it's not hard. And I want to take you on board so that you're ready and that you're not falling behind. So stay with me here and listen to this video until the end. So my name is Christine Crown and I've been in healthcare for over 35 years now. 20 years owning my own healthcare business, creating multiple seven-figure businesses. I've been through the ups and the downs and even recessions. I've been through 3 recessions, and I've built and I've ran my own care homes for the elderly, children's home, supported living, home care agency, domiciliary agency, for example. I've had my own nursing agency where it was registered with the regulatory bodies, as well as the medical staffing agency where I was providing staff in care homes and in the private hospitals as well. Listen, I've seen it. I've been regulated with the councils, the local councils, the CQC inspectors that they are now today. And I've seen it all. I've seen the good, bad, and the ugly in my own healthcare business, for example. And I really want to emphasize to you that it doesn't have to be that way, how it was for me. You know, I faced 3 recessions and we're in 2025 and there's a lot of increase, and I know that you must be worried about national insurance increase if you're in the UK, inflation, for example. But let's look at what we can do to overcome this challenge for you. And I want to introduce something to you that I believe will help you in your decision and running your business. So today, I'd like to talk to you about the things that I didn't have back then, which is AI. And in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about how it can transform your healthcare business and helping you save time. It can increase your profits and also stay ahead of the curve because you don't want to get left behind. So artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer something in the future. You know, we used to see it and think, oh, that's not going to happen. It's in the future. I don't even know where that's coming from. It just seemed like a sci-fi movie kind of thing. And it's now changing how we live and work with our mobile phones, etc., with our Siris, our Alexas, all these kind of things that we're dealing with today. And it can actually work with you providing the care as well. So let me talk to you about why AI is such a big deal for healthcare. So think about the time spent on scheduling, invoicing, compliance reporting. AI tools can handle those tasks faster with fewer errors. And AI is cost savings as well. So AI can reduce the need for excessive admin staff. Look, I've been there. I've had like 10 admin staff in my office, for example, many years ago. And even, recently. Because we end up spending thousands and thousands upon pounds, for example, or dollars, but this way it's actually saving you money. Let's look at tools like Zapier and QuickBooks AI. This can automate workflow and invoicing, and it is cutting edge, and it also gives you the unnecessary expenses as well. Now, I'm going to be going through some trainings on this, so don't worry, I'm going to talk today, but don't worry, I will be going through this with you in more detail through our mini bootcamp before our paid bootcamp, which we've got in a couple of weeks. And this is a brand new thing because I want care providers to get on board now so that you can make a proper informed decision and hopefully introduce some of these tools that I'm going to be showing you over the next couple of days, for example. Imagine the improved communication, voice AI tools like there's Google Dialogflow. It handles client inquiries, appointment scheduling, and even follow-up. Imagine having a 24-hour assistant that never gets tired. It's like having your own executive assistant, for example. It's also, there's data-driven, which is decision making. There's AI-powered analytic tools like Tableau, for example, and you can even make smarter decisions by identifying trends, reducing waste, and maximizing your profits. So this isn't just about making things easier. It's about staying competitive in a rapidly evolving industry. Look, we've all heard, if you're in the UK, all heard how the Prime Minister mentions about AI superpower, that UK is going to be the AI superpower. And that means that you need to really embrace this immediately. He made that announcement, and really everybody is already starting this trend as well. So the challenges that AI can solve in your healthcare business is, let's look at this. You're sat at your desk, for example. I used to be sitting at my desk for hours, from morning till 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night some days. So let me break down how the first-hand experience of the challenges that you've been facing. So here are the most common problems that I've experienced and I've seen as well, and how AI can help solve them. Staff shortages. Let's look at this here. Fill in staff shifts, the rotas. You can use AI tools like Shift Care Automate scheduling, ensuring that you're always covered without stress. Come on, let's look at this. It is stressful when you're trying to cover a shift and you're ringing round and you're doing things the hard way. It's about working smarter, not harder. We can do things more simpler now. And it's just a touch of a button. This AI will take over for you and do this to take the stress away from you. So imagine this seamlessly scheduling shifts, compliance, and your documentation. You know how difficult that used to be? Having to ring staff up, emailing them, texting them, calling them. The AI can do all of this for you. Dealing with regulatories and maintaining compliance can be so overwhelming. I know, I've been there. But with the AI tools, automatically it generates reports, it tracks changes, and ensures you're always audit ready, which is amazing. Because when you're trying to keep track, especially when you're trying to cover a shift and you're moving this person around to that, and sometimes you can lose where you are, for example, and then you like checking again because you think, did I miss something? Did I cover that? So with this, it will do it for you. It is not a time drain from the admin task point of view. So imagine freeing up hours of every day-to-day automated client follow-ups, invoices, reminders. It's so much. Even me talking about this to you right now just gives a sense of release, of freedom. Zapier connects your systems so tasks happen automatically. I've been going through this beforehand to see if it's suitable for my clients as well as for you. Listen, you can, and I don't mean this in a horrible way, but you can reduce your staff, because we are now facing, or you're now facing, national insurance increase and all the other increases that go with it. So you've got to be practical here, and AI is that solution. So like I said, it can also help you with client retention. Voice AI creates personalized, professionalized communication with clients, ensuring that they feel valued, supported, which keeps them coming back. It's amazing. The satisfaction, looking at your graphs, and you're seeing clients are happy, and that you've got information like on a scoreboard, screen, and you're seeing everything is all green, not red, green, orange, green. It will look so much better for you. So it will give you breathing room to focus on the things that truly matters, and that is delivering the exceptional care that you wanted to do in the first place. So this is why I have created the AI Bootcamp for healthcare businesses. But this is our intensive bootcamp, which is a paid bootcamp. But the one that I'm talking about to you today is I'm going to be showing you this over a number of days so that you can see how it works. It is a mini bootcamp. And by the end of it, I hope that some of you will join the real 4-day intensive boot camp. But I'll talk to you about what you can expect in our boot camp, for example, our mini boot camp. So day one, I'll be doing the introduction to AI in healthcare. And I'll talk to you about the basics. What is AI and how does it work, and why it's critical for you and your business. Day two, I'll be going through voice AI and client communication, and I'll show you how to set it up. I'll show you the tools anyway. And I'll also be going through the Google Dialog Flow to automate and enhance your client and staff communication. On day three, we'll be going through your automating your daily operations. From scheduling your invoices, we'll dive deep into tools like Zapier, QuickBooks AI to simplify your organization. And day four, we'll be building your AI roadmap. And that's what we'll be covering in the mini bootcamp over the 4 days. And this is a lead on to our 4-day intensive bootcamp, which are for full days, over 4 days, for example, which is in 2 weeks' time. But we'll be covering that every single month. So what I want to do is I'll be able to leave you with a personalized step-by-step plan to implement AI in your business immediately if you want to. But I also would love for you to join our paid intensive 4-day bootcamp. If you've already paid for the bootcamp already, you will be able to attend this one as a special gift. I'm letting my team know this today as well. For those of you that have booked, I know that we're 1/3 full already, so we still got 2/3 space, and this is also why I'm showing this. We have done the business recovery boot camp. Sorry, we've done the business recovery here in the channel, as well as the 30-day challenge, which is all part of the business recovery. But this is an AI bootcamp, which is slightly different. So it is something that you need to attend. I believe so, that it will really, really benefit you. So don't take my word from it. I want you to join me, and you'll be able to see for yourself by joining me in the mini bootcamp. What I'd like for you to do is I want you to really click the link, and if you're ready to join the bootcamp before it gets full, because I know it's going to get full, we can only take 20 people because we want to be able to train you properly, for example, and to be able to give you the time online so that we can really guide you through things correctly. So my AI bootcamp, it will give you the knowledge. I will show you where to get the tools from, and I will also support you to survive, but to lead in this new era, because it is a new system, a new way of doing things. So this isn't just about learning new tools, it's about transforming your business and your life. Imagine having more time with your family, less stress, and higher profits. When I had my care businesses, I was in my care business, I might as well have said 24/7. I'm surprised I didn't put a bed in the office. I was there a lot of time, and I was away from my family for long periods of time as well, because I wanted the business to be right, because the clients were like my family members. So it was important to me that they were looked after. And none of my clients was never looked after. They were all looked after with the best standard of care that you could ever receive. So this is what I want for you, is I want you to be able to have that time freedom, because life is so short, and we want to be able to enjoy what we've dreamed and planned, and what we've wanted to leave is a legacy. So like I said, that we have spots available, but they are limited because they are going quickly. And I want to ensure that every participant, meaning you, that you get my personalized attention online. So click the button here, book a free 15-minute call with me, and I will talk to you about the AI and the tools. I don't know what tools you're currently using in your business, but if you're not using AI in your business, you need to make a start now. We also offer guidance for businesses as well regarding AI automation, introducing it into their business as well. But what I want you to do is I just want you to join me live and to book a free 15-minute call with me so I can go through this with you. So like I said, we are here. AI is here. Let's use it. Let's work together with AI, and so that we can ensure that we are receiving the care, as well as business owners, that we're getting our time back as well. And the staff, the team members that you've got, they also want to be able to flow easily. But you need to understand what this is about. So this is why this is for you. If you do want one of your managers to attend, then by all means do so. Let us know. They are welcome to attend. Or even if you are a manager, you are welcome to attend and learn as well. All right, so thank you so much for joining me today, and like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I look forward to speaking with you all soon, and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.